There is nothing delicate about this at all. Melting, oozing cheese, Frankfurters, deep fried, crispy. It's a Korean corn dog. Welcome back to Wok Wednesdays. I'm Jeremy from School of Wok, and this Wok Wednesday is super exciting because I love street food. So I'm going to start with my batter. This batter, for it to stick around your Frankfurters or your sausages, or in this case, cheese as well, it needs to be quite thick, kind of like a thick pancake batter. So I've got some plain flour here, a little bit of baking powder, and that will just puff up the batter a little, and then a couple of tablespoons of sugar. The Koreans love that sweet, salty flavour, and we're going to get a lot of saltiness from the cheese and the Frankfurters. Don't fret, guys. The quantities are all in the description, so you'll see them all there. I'm going to put a little pinch of salt, but I kind of want this to be a sweet batter to really sort of counteract the saltiness of what's inside. Make a little well, and then crack one egg into your well, and then I've got some milk to make the batter. And as I say, for this to really stick around the cheese sticks and the jumbo Frankfurters, it needs to be a good sort of thick batter. Now I say thick batter, but it also has to have enough of a dripping consistency that you don't just pick it all up with one sausage. Now you guys all know Chef Cher by now. Cher loves a corn dog. He's going to be so annoyed that I'm making this video and not him. I'd say that's about right now. A nice dripping consistency, almost like a whipped ice cream sort of texture. Ooh, that looks fun. Now here's a little trick for you guys. Just to make sure you get batter around all of it, is either a pint glass or any sort of tall sort of vessel helps to get your batter evenly around your corn dogs. I've got some panko breadcrumbs ready on my tray, my skewers, of which I've got half a jumbo Frankfurter, and then I've got different types of cheese here. In America you'd have sort of more solid mozzarella, but I've got red Leicester because we're here in England, and that should melt quite nicely, that. I've also got some fresh mozzarella which I'm going to play with. I mean, when you're making something like this, it's all about playing, isn't it? So I'm just testing my oil, and you want anything wooden, like wooden chopsticks or your skewers, to fizz pretty much immediately. So that says that's about 180 degrees C, nice and hot. It's best to do these sort of one at a time and kind of, I mean, I probably need a little bit more batter than that, but it'll work. Just make sure you cover the whole dog, like so, and then let that drip back down. I mean, if this isn't fun, I don't know what is. There you go. And then you cover that with your panko. And what you want to do is kind of squish that excess panko onto the batter before you then take your dog and then carefully lay that into your hot oil. Ta-da! Mozzarella stick. Almost lost my mozzarella there. It's okay. Tongs have saved the day. Mix that around, get that extra panko over the top. Squish it a little. Double check this guy. Whoa, look at that. I mean, I can see that red Leicester wanting to ooze out of that corn dog already. So it's got a nice golden brown. That's the moment to take it out. You take it maybe sort of 4 to 5 minutes of deep frying. Now for the last two, I've diced up some potato to try and get those crisping around the edge of my corn dogs. That and mix round. Hopefully I've got enough space to actually get my corn dog into here. Corn dog in. Good. Good start. Mix that around. And you can see my potato bits sort of sticking to my corn dog. A few of those extra on top, why not? Mix that around. This is crazy food, but for sure delicious. So if you're interested in more bonkers recipes like this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ding, hit that notification bell, and we will deliver.